Yeah, just a fucking lie.
Ya levántate.
God damn.
¿Qué nomás?
Say hi to your vlog.
What's good, YouTube? We back with another vlog. And we on the way to OTN Punch. Y'all enjoy the video. Man, these motherfuckers don't let a sleep, bro. I've been liking sleep right now. I slept 2 hours. And I haven't gone to sleep on the last couple days. So, hey, but we ready. Check it out. I mean, we had shirts, but my truck not even going. So, what the fuck is the point? Shit just had to happen, bro. Yeah, let me take y'all outside. Man, sadly, my truck not going, bro. That shit had to happen. She was supposed to come, but it is what it is. Bro, you already know how motherfucking impatient this is, bro. Fucking, he was already outside waiting for us to fucking go. Jan's not even awake. So we gonna pull up to his crib, we gonna fucking rev it on this shit, calling his ass till he wakes up.
Hola puta.
It wasn't that bad.
Listos, listos. Ah, che sexy.
Ni se viste el cabrón como lo ve.
Ya son las...
Son las 4.
So you gotta be there at 4.
La mayoría que vamos a cargar.
You gotta be there at 7:30.
Ahorita que salga.
We were. No, I think next time.
Turn the light, yeah.
For bandas. Hell yeah, for bandas.
Hey,
Sunday,
Sunday I'm gonna go buy billets.
Billets?
Yeah.
We'll
Big boys.
right now.
At Big Boys.
They're gonna be there.
Oh yeah, huh? I might as well.
It's just gonna be there right now.
Fuck it. Right now.
You getting staggered?
Install right now.
And they be having deals on the events. I'll put a down payment, not even lie.
What billets
That's what niggas do.
size are you gonna get? 24s?
24 by 12.
On the
24 by 10.
on the rear?
I'm just getting no cuts.
On the rear? No.
Yeah, I'm just getting no cuts.
Yeah.
It'll be lit.
What the fuck is the point of it's the whole point of village. Stagger.
I'll just. Alright, I'll do 22 by 24.
22 by 24?
22 in the front, 24 in the back.
Nah, go 20.
Staggered? That's what staggered is.
No, go 20.
24, 26? He tripping.
Hell nah. I don't think he could fit that shit.
For real?
Oh yo, vlog stick.
Block stick?
¿Así te la vas a llevar, Pri?
What?
La troca.
Yeah.
¿Qué pasó?
Fit on the trailer. Fucking sold.
Damn boy, you looking fresh. Who faded you?
Johnny Fades.
Johnny Fades.
Get at your boy. Johnny Fades.
Johnny Cuts. Yeah, we're gonna be on the road because it's time.
Guys.
I already know. We have to stop by Bookies, man. I was already asleep.
Man, you can't be on the road in Texas and not stop by one of these hoes.
Es que, ¿sabes? Necesitamos unos walkie-talkies.
Yeah, let's get some
¿Sabes por
walkie-talkies.
qué? Porque ya le viene agarrando la onda a este vato. No sé si tú también.
Okay.
Cuando vengas entrando,
every time there's
cuando
like a
vengas
bridge,
entrando,
it
luego
has like
los
a
bridge.
drop.
Oh,
tienes
yeah, it
que-
has a raise.
Tienes que bajarte a 50 para que no pegue.
Motherfuckers don't know how to drive speed limit. That boy needs some gas. Oh shit, I'm finna get run over. I almost did last time. I think this vlog's gonna go up first than the one me crashing my truck. Vlog for me crashing my truck coming.
You cold, buddy?
Steady.
That boy pinning the blogs.
For 87?
You from 87?
Yeah.
299?
299.
Lying.
I swear to God.
What the fuck?
That's how you gotta put on gas, cook.
Yeah, bro. Hold on.
We're gonna make sure this shit's
Get away that shit.
Chetacua. What's finna run me over? OTM crunch, nigga.
The other dude, he's putting his shit in.
Pulled up on general admission. We gotta wait for homeboy's parents to get in. Y también Alex se nos desapareció.
Hey, pretty on time. Tráete unas chelas. You forgot the most.
Trying to get some beers, cook.
Oh, you can get Huh?
Alcohólicos.
Alcohólico. Más alcohólico.
¿Lo escuchaste?
Ya no soy más. ¿Eh? ¿Qué dijo? Tell him to go to a convenience store around here.
Oh, 20? He's 20 away.
Oh, they in line up, cook. Hey, we can go, cook. Hey, cook, that's my sticker though. When we get
God damn, I look like a fucking youngkin.
Nah, it's still clean, cook. Man, we at the very back of gold. The what?
The stick. It's a block.
Oh, Jan, you got the stick? What stick?
I left it in here.
No, it's over here.
It's pretty dead right now, man. Shit going on. I mean, it's early as fuck. We just pulled in.
Yeah, you're a faggot.
Alright, guys, let's go.
I'll vlog for you.
What are we doing? This one, Mr. Blackout's gonna perform, guys. Today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, that blue is clean, bro.
Now, that one is.
Look at the wheels.
Nah, I want one of these hoes.
It's engraved. It's kind of gay though, flowers. Hey, Alex, soon.
Oh my god, that's gonna be me one day. That's gonna be me one day.
Engraved door handles.
That's gonna be me. Oh, it changes colors too.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a wrap.
Oh, it's a red.
Yeah. Look at that round.
Hey, dude, you want mine?
That's the one you have already, no?
I don't have that shit.
That's yours, no?
That's yours, right?
Earlier and you parked it right here. That bitch is sexy, bro.
What, the bitch?
She's back. What are they, 28?
Oh, he fucking got a
Look at this.
Yeah, look at his toe. He fucking cut it in half.
Look at this, though. Look at the... All that just for me to come and cut the lines? Formula One?
Those fuck shocks.
What tire size is this? God damn,
Big as fucking California.
fucking big ass fucking lip. Yeah, bro.
Everybody, once you join Team Billy, you get weapons.
Oh, this one has to be stupid. Look at the interior. Alright, bro, I'm deep riding. Look at that 4 lineup right there. And then we got the GMC lineup right here. We got the Gen 5s right here.
Damn, only one ram.
Yeah, bro, it's cause you're one of one.
Bro, is this gummy bear?
Is that Mauricio? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Funny made your
Yes sir, yes sir. We're in gold, we're in gold. You know, you feel me?
Where you parked that?
Over there.
Can I take
Yeah.
pictures of your truck? I'm a really big fan of you.
Yeah, after I buy one of these, probably.
You're Texas Alex, right?
Yeah, dude.
Can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, bro, come on, take a picture.
Take a picture with me. Take a picture.
Yeah, bro.
Let's go over here so we can actually take. Oh, see.
Guys, he's famous. He's more famous than me. He's not even the YouTuber.
I forgot to put the camera.
Hey, no, vlog the guy.
Hey, you took a picture of him?
Yeah.
Let me see the picture. Let me see the picture.
How you doing? Good. Fucking hot, bro.
You got a shirt? Damn, small ass shirt, bro.
I would smack your face right now. Oh, yo. Hey, where's Out the Knob? Where's Out the Knob on this shit? What the what?
It's not there.
This nigga said, what the what? Where's Codiciados, bro? Where's Cody at?
Oh, it's Cody, the best crew.
Where's Alianza at?
Alianza?
Where's Alianza, bro?
I gotta take a shit.
Man, they ain't gonna find that shit.
What the f is up, motherfucker?
Hey, motherfucker, we in the fucking Halloween scene. They got 100 house in this bitch.
God. Alright. Hey, do the giveaway. Do the giveaway.
Give away the shirt.
Give away the shirt. Give away the shirt. Hey, be like, start yelling. Start yelling. I swear to God.
Move somewhere else first, bro.
Giveaway. We're doing a giveaway on the monkey. 10K an entry. You know, hit me up. Send me a pic while you at it too.
Hey. Oh, dude.
Whoa, bro. Cut that out.
Hey, they got a Chrysler swap. I mean, a Hellcat swap.
Let's go look at this with your Mopar ass. Oh God.
Salazar Racing.
Yeah.
¿Cómo andamos?
¿Cómo andamos,
Mucho
Pri?
gusto.
¿Cómo andamos?
Bien, aquí
Saludos,
andamos.
saludos.
Aquí andamos con mis amigos de Salazar Racing.
Yes,
Están
sir.
haciendo el giveaway este mamalón.
Hey, enter.
¿Verdad?
Now we want to see the real bad boy right here.
The real one, bad boy, right here.
The real bad boy.
This is a red eye.
On God, I'm dick riding. Rev it.
Huh?
Rev it right now. Get in the car and rev it. I'm pretty sure the keys are in there.
Fuck yeah, I wish this was me.
This is kind of like mine, huh?
One day on the Ram. One day.
Psych. That one day's never gonna come.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, it's either day one or one day. No se oye.
Eres Joto, güey.
¿Quién es Joto?
No, eres Joto, güey.
Oh,
Eres Joto, güey.
eres Joto, güey.
That bitch is fucking bad.
Hey, I hear a cam, bro.
That's sick, bro.
Oh God. Hey, when is the burnout pit?
Like at 3.
Where's the burnout pit though?
Over there. On the other side of where we're at.
God damn.
Stay Sancho. The apartment, these nuts. What the fuck? Man, we're just walking around. Ain't shit going on. Just looking at everything they got. Oh, they got the LSC over here again.
Yeah, that's super cool.
The one that did a big ass burnout at TTI. Hey, they got I say my twin because he's on the same drug. That bitch look clean.
Yeah, but he's lower. Just from the front.
From the front.
Oh, it's another one right next to him.
Yeah, that one's on the 5.7. On the front,
Nigga
it's
said
like,
like if he wasn't in a 5.7.
I'm not. I'm on a 5.11.
Oh, he low, 5'11". Oh, he low.
Then what am I on?
You're like on a 2.4. That's what you had. I have a one. No, what you had at first?
Over here, where we at is silver. Over there, we was. Over there, where we was at. Oh shit. All that is gold. Y aquí, pues todo silver. Man, bro, I really wanted to bring my truck.
Always down.
But I mean, I couldn't, bitch. It's done for. It's gonna go to the junkyard. So I'm gonna scrap that bitch. And give me a Corolla.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. ¿Dónde ganaron esos güeyes? Oh, aquí están los. Why doesn't he pop the hood?
Because it's fake.
Man, he don't want to show that V10 too. He don't rub? What the fuck? Nah, for real. Bro got a mega cap 3500. It's not a long one. Nah, this is bad. It's just chuntaros. Hey, y'all trying to go get into that car? Oh, they're towing. I thought they were gonna tow the car.
That piece of shit car.
They're gonna tow the truck. Oh, no wonder the security guard was taking pictures of it.
They haven't set up yet.
Hey, güey, ¿dónde están tus progresando sunglasses?
I gotta get some new ones.
Some new progresando sunglasses?
Hell yeah. I gotta represent.
La ratchet. It does look ratchet. Turn that light on. Hey, look at the bumper.
Oh my god.
Niggas that wrong.
Oh, they're taking that motherfucker. What?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Damn, I guess bro didn't buy silver.
They don't let you cruise here.
No?
You get 15,000.
What the fuck? So good.
Hey,
Bro,
those
stop
headlights?
dick riding.
Those headlights?
Stop dick riding.
Stop dick riding, bro.
Hey, chill. I know my shit nice too, but
Oh, considering they got a sticker.
No sticker.
How
Motor.
much did he get in?
It says motor out.
No sticker. He's not gonna pull out 1,000.
Bro, just cash out 1,000.
10,000.
That's 1,000. Oh, max amount is 160.
Damn, you're richer than the fucking ATM, cut.
Oh, you canceled it.
Oh, they're in.
We had to fucking bring them in our trucks. We were scraping, dragging ass. That guy, look. No, ya se fue. Fuck. I was gonna show you, but that's literally me lifted. A ver si se ve, mira. Se me escapó ahorita si lo encuentro. I'll show you a better view. That bitch look clean, huh? Can I go where? Burnout pit?
Burnout pit, you feel me? Yeah, all breezy.
About time, bro. I took a mean ass nap in your truck.
That ass? Dang. Over here getting,
I had to wait for.
getting our shirt signed and shit.
Oh shit.
Shit! I was just in front of it.
I had to get a fucking nap, nigga. I had to wait for my phone to charge. Big ass pro stick. It's alright. I get what he's going through, bro. You don't want to break him. I know because I have a ram.
Oh!
Hey, your truck is next or what?
I don't even know what to say, bro. What?
Your truck is next?
No, you locked it, bitch. I don't know what to say, bro.
Bro's literally a fucking prestige master yapping.
What's up? Huh? I'm booting it. Oh God, I'm booting it.
I'm drinking, bro, shit. Like,
You said what?
I'm drinking, huh? He tomado mucho.
Huh?
Oh, he too faded, cuz.
What?
Estoy bien tomado, güey.
Oh, ando drogado.
No.
Now I'm fucking with you, way. I'm chilling, way. I'm just fucking with you.
You're crazy, nigga.
Hey, did I look high for real?
Huh?
Did I act high for real? Usually. What the fuck?
Oh, he knows you, bro.
He knows me. What? Hey, where you parked that way?
Nicole. Wrong.
Hey, you want to trade stickers, wait?
Huh?
You want to trade stickers? I'm parked in gold and I don't want to be parked in gold.
Bro?
Yeah, I got 22s, bro. I feel like I'm a shit box in that hole.
What ring?
Huh?
What ticker?
I know.
Nah, bro, that's my sticker, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's your sticker. I'm using your sticker.
Okay, you.
They got me yapping like a motherfucker. En gold, güey.
Huh?
En gold.
And go?
Yeah.
¿Qué troca tienes?
It's like it's a
TRX.
GMC.
What year? 2500.
Right.
2500?
Yeah, it's like in front of
Pinche trocolón.
trying to get some air. Some fresh fucking AC.
Oh my god. I know, bro. I'm overheating. My phone overheating when I record, nigga. I'm overheating. What the fuck?
I'm gay.
Dude, are you serious?
Nah, that wasn't me. That was him. What? He's gay. He's gay. Yeah. Fuck yeah. We're all gay. Huh? I'm P. Diddy. I'm a free P. Diddy.
You're Diddy?
I'm free
Let's have a
P.
Diddy party tonight.
Oh yeah.
I wanna have a
What
pretty
after
party right now.
Yeah, party, right? P. Diddy signed it, right?
Swear.
Where?
Hey, it's gonna be a Johnny party now.
Oh my god.
I got the whole fucking to record our
Dude,
orgies.
you don't even have your chart. Is that the party? P. Diddy come Diddy?
Babe. Hey, after party. Let's go.
Archie.
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 Hola, Archie.
Say what's up to the vlog, cool.
Archie. Acá.
Archie.
Archie.
Nah, no quiere. Taking a break. Hey, Jen. Ponme a pasear. Nah, ahorita que comience el burnout, para todos vamos a ir otra vez. It's gonna be on the gas. ¿Y quién más? Freddy Alex. Freddy Alex. And Ismael
Ya se
J.
han metido dos de dos ahí.
Oh, so ahorita que vamos a que empiecen otra vez.
Los del state, no, pero estos donde ya se meten hasta 4. La vez pasada se metieron 5 ya, no 6. Como 5 se metieron ahí, azul de todo eso.
That boy dead. That little look dead as fuck.
Vlogging, bitch.
Stop vlogging, bitch. Damn.
Vamos a... Sí, sí, es.
A ver, ¿qué quieren comer?
Súbele, güey.
Súbele al aire.
¿Qué quieren comer?
Just press it, just leave it.
Oh my god, your AC blows more than mine.
I think my shit blows too, but
Joe's not even all the way over here.
it is.
Guys, fell asleep in the truck. 2 hours. 2 hours later. Knock the fuck out. Y'all trying to go?
I think they're racing right now.
Yeah, they're racing. You woke up with what?
What?
You woke up with what? Next to who?
Nothing.
Hey, though, when you say it like that, it's not right.
I woke up with morning wood next to Johnny.
Where's the stick?
I got it right now on me.
Oh, it's
He's dangerous. He's dangerous, bro.
He's wearing Burberry.
It's because I'm black.
Es que si no progresando.
I already completed it.
What you finna get, cook?
The only thing that's available on my cheat team. I think they run out of Taco Bell over there. Taco Bell?
Taco Bell, get the fuck. Ain't nobody gonna order that shit.
This is something.
Taco Bell? Dude, you're gonna be in the shitter for like the whole night.
This shit right now.
Yeah, no, that shit's gonna be in my tummy.
This looks so good, dude. Dang, we're gonna eat before you chat. Like we're live streaming.
Like we're live streaming. Hey, Chad, what y'all got eating tonight? Y'all comment down below. Looking ass. Hey, order me 3.
Oh my god.
It's good? Finally got our shit cooked. Una limonada. I ain't gonna lie, this whole good as fuck. You got lemonade too? Yeah, that bitch good. You got lemonade? We gonna eat, bro. We started it. Ya empezó el concierto. That's him right there? No, like on the screen. Hola, man.
De México también.
A ver, ese grito la gente de Michoacán. Ese grito la gente de Guerrero.
Yes, you niggas are like fucking stupid ass niggas.
Dude, everybody else is stupid as fuck too. They're getting in a fight. Muchos vatos cagapalos. Muchos vatos culeros. Muchos vatos valen verga.
A pintar el camión, compadre.
That boy gotta pump gas again. Che dragona. Che dragona. Hey, this is the after party of OTM. Everybody and their mama literally pulled up. Ahí ese cabrón come. Oh, he's going over there. There's more trucks, but bro, we skipped the line. You saw how long that line was over there? Yeah. That first one hit that line. Yeah. Excuse me, sir, is this your truck? Huh? Is this your truck?
No, I stole it.
You stole it? Who'd you steal it from, boy?
Report yourself immediately right now.
No, sir. Or you're gonna take it.
Dude, you know how many problems I got today? Makes me at least feel good.
Oye, al vato, ¿cómo lo ando sintiendo? ¿Qué na?
Hey, este puto dice, if you're not pumping gas, get out.
We were just pumping gas. How you gonna tell me with my own eyes? He's like, 10 minutes, cops gonna be here. I don't give a fuck. Get back to work.
Shit,
They already called the cops?
one cop for who? Like 100 trucks?
I know, like I couldn't even park through. Like, you can't park there. I parked here. Can you turn it down?
Like, dude, shut the fuck up and get back to work.
Bro, my fucking back hurts. That's what I told that
My
white
legs
dude.
hurt, bro. I was ready to get the
work.
fuck out of here.
Yeah, that's how I gotta pump gas now after I did all of that. You good.
We were just looking at the tank.
That's okay.
Now I
know
feel bad. Yeah, I see that. I see that now.
Now I'm pumping you this way now.
I didn't see it when I was walking by. I'm really sorry.
That's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Boy, you got a whole violation because you didn't park right?
Yeah, I got a violation because I was pumping gas the way I gotta pump gas now.
But look, no door. Hey, bro, that's a violation, bro. It's supposed to be on the other side.
Fuck
Huh?
you, nigga. I don't give a damn.
Hey, Jeff's gonna go park.
I am parked right though.
No, he's gonna go park.
Why is that shit so late?
Hey, look, the next stop, Twin Peaks. I ain't get shit from Bookies. Hey, look who's here. Freddie Ellis X. Guys, it's 4 in the morning and we're still out. Cause this fool wanted to fall asleep. Boy, that boy knocked out cold. That guy wanted to fall asleep. This boy over here knocked the hell out. Man, right now that he's asleep, I'm trying to get my sticker back. Motherfucker think he gonna keep that? Hell nah, the fuck? That's supposed to be on my truck, but it ain't come. I'm gonna put it on Jen's truck, cause this motherfucker not going home with me. He's going to his house.